snap ring on the back of that.
Myself going in.
Don't let those springs get you. Pop those rollers out. Snap shut. I've done this enough times, I know. Does that look damaged at all or no? It doesn't necessarily from here. But you're gonna want to clean it up and look.
Still need that back there?
No, I'm good. This side's missing a spring. Yeah. No, it's missing a brake spring, the outer. It's amazing to me how much grease is in there for how bad that was worn. I would have thought it would have been a lack of grease, which doesn't mean that it wasn't worn and then somebody put grease in it.
There you go. There you go.
That's what I wanted.
You done with me here, boss?
Yes. It's definitely worn. You can see how thin it is here and how thick it is over here. It's about not quite half the thickness maybe here. It's raining, and I can still work. That is the beauty of having the shop.
Found it.
Ready? Wrench off. It's turning. Okay, just I don't know, you're slowing me down a lot. Try it again, babe. fell off the back side, but it seemed like it was turning.
It was. Yeah, it looked like it was turning.
Well, I don't know if it was just turning off of the wrench.
Oh.
Is this the jack remaining?
No. It's wired. It's under Tyler right now, though.
Oh.
That's fun, huh?
No.
Okay, we're removing the shocks right now and the air brake chambers. Cleaning up everything, removing some airbags. We're going to replace those brake hoses. They're really crispy under those, the ones for the parking brake. Taking the airbags off on the tag axles too. So you can see on this S-cam bushing how thin it is right there and then how thick it is on this side. So also extremely worn. So these airbags here were all rusted out. You can see the rust holes through the tops of them. They were done.
That was amazing there, huh?
Rust. More holes in the top. This Chief air hammer that I got from Harbor Freight is pretty awesome. It has actually never failed me yet on a task. It seems like it's at least twice as powerful as any of the other air hammers I ever owned, and some of them were major brand ones. So if you're looking for something relatively inexpensive that's really powerful, I highly recommend this gun. We're replacing the input shaft seal on this MCI-5 here for the drop box. So that's where the drive shaft right there comes in. You can see how short the drive shaft is.
How much wood can a wood chop?
Move your camera light up a little bit. They got a big shadow on there, Tyler. Try and get the drive. There you go. Yeah, so you can see how short that drive shaft is. Okay, so we're gonna drop that.
That wasn't horrible. Easy one, sadly.
That rust, the big chunky rust, was from the airbag itself, not the airbag mount. So you don't have to worry about that. It's just, that's nice and solid. Came up pretty easy. That's 1999. I don't think you need the light anymore.
No, it's good.
Beautiful.
Not as bad as the other one.
Nearly all of his airbags had little holes rusted through them. This one does not, but it had a big old chunk, so chances are it's probably leaking too. 7:30 at night and we're getting our UPS. That is unbelievable.
Oh,
we
man,
thought
I'm so
we
happy
thought
to
it was
see
not
you.
coming today. Holy cow. Impressive. Kept saying out for delivery. We're like, no way.
Yeah.
Look at this giant spider. That is easily 2.5 inches.
Yeah.
He is ready to strike. Looking for dinner. No thanks. It's just above our heads too. I don't want to walk into that web. It's a pretty elaborate web though.
It's going all the way up to that tree.
So we do have the lights here on the driveway. We'll keep walking.
Come on, here.
This is the old part of the driveway that goes by the container. And then the new driveway, which Rick has named Cedar Lane. It's got a bunch of cedar trees on it. We've continued the lights all the way back down there. And then of course they go over there. There's the new parking lot light, security light up there. And then the lights over here that line all the way down. They go really far, farther than what you can see there. So here's our little seating area out back of the shop. So those lights run all the way around the outside and then they go all the way down the path, down to the neighbors. So it's really pretty and peaceful out here.